The demand for peanut chocolate bars is skyrocketing, and so is the need for efficient, reliable packing solutions. Enter the peanut chocolate packing machine, a game changer in the confectionery industry. These advanced machines are designed to streamline the packing process, ensuring your peanut chocolate bars are wrapped securely, hygienically, and at lightning speed. With features like automated sealing, precise portion control, and customizable packaging options, they help manufacturers increase productivity, reduce costs, and maintain consistent quality. Whether you're a large-scale producer or a small artisanal brand, investing in the right packing technology can make all the difference in meeting market demand and delivering a perfect product every time.